Oh, I didn't see you there. I think the train's gone now. Okay, so once you open your trunk, you're halfway there, but you're missing an important necessity. You need to get your pink tool bag, has to be pink. Just kidding. And you kind of go through it, and then you get a flathead. Now, if you come over here when you open your trunk, my vehicle specifically, I have like these little black, I do not know the technical name for these little stoppers. They look like this. And my ladies with the long fingernails, you're probably not going to be able to do it with your fingers because it was difficult for me. So getting a flathead was the easiest. And you probably can't see it on camera just because it is so late or so dark. But there's kind of like an opening where almost like it's welcoming you to use a flathead. It's almost saying, please use a flathead. And I'm just gonna like go in there. I'm a professional. And you kind of just go. And believe it or not, this one was the easiest one. Shit. Okay, I don't know where that went. We'll find it later, but it's in there somewhere. And then there were like 4 of these, and then it'll allow you to, oh yeah, you gotta do that. And then you just peel it back like an onion, like it's a layer. Ta-da! Here we go. This is the one on light here and a light here, and we're gonna actually change both of them so they're the same color. I have these handy dandy lights right here that were purchased off Amazon. How much were they off Amazon? I don't know right now. I will let you know at a later time. But they were not expensive. And you could go to AutoZone or Auto Parts Store, you know, really anywhere that sells lights. So this is my first time doing this, if you can't tell, and you're kind of gonna just pull this one towards you on this side, and then wow, it's like Christmas morning. Look at that. It's actually, I can actually tell that it's fried. So I'm gonna grab a light out of this beautiful packaging that Amazon Jeff Bezos packed himself. He packed it. I know because he signed it. And see, the cops are coming. I hear them because they know my license plate light is out. So they're on their way to give me a ticket. What in tarnation? Why is this? Okay, it's user error. It's user error. Okay, this is what the light looks like. Okay, and how you get the light out is you just pull it out like this. Wait, let me put woo! Okay, I'm gonna put the bad light over there. And then you take the new light and you can kind of see how it's like a puzzle piece. And just like that, you have a light replaced, y'all. And then you stick your head in the trunk and you kind of just pray to God that it goes in properly. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. And the other side is gonna twist the other way. Opposite way. Wow, I really shouldn't be allowed to instruct people on how to do things. Wait. That went that way. So this is gonna go the opposite way, away from you. Pull that out. And we're gonna repeat the same process. It's a little, I don't wanna pull it too hard. That's why it's probably taking me a minute to pull it out, but it's not too hard to pull out. I'm just being dramatic. Because that's who I am. Okay. And like again, let's put that bad boy in there. And stick it back in. There we go. And then boom, we should be good to go.